Good morning, children. Plants that grow naturally without human support is called natural vegetation. For the growth of plants, mainly two factors are required. They are rainfall and temperature. If both are sufficient, huge trees will grow. If rainfall and temperature are mild, their grass will grow. Today, let's learn more about the main grasslands of the world. Grassland is an area of land where grass is the chief vegetation. Major grasslands lie in the temperate zones. That means in between frigid zone and torrid zone. 23 and a half degree and 66 and a half degree. In between, we find the temperate zone. There we may find important grasslands of the world. Common features, they are found in plain area. They extend over a large area. Due to lack of rainfall, there may not grow trees, but only grassland. See on the right side, only grass is found, no tree, not even one tree. These are the important grasslands, vast area, plain area, where animals graze. This is also another example for grasslands. There are so many grasslands in the world, but some important grasslands are in North America, prairies. It's a prairies almost located at the central part of North America. Then downs. This is a downs. Where it is located. In Australia. Then this one is Veld, the southern part of Africa. And in South America, there is another grassland. There it is called Pampas. In Asia or Eurasia, the grassland is known as savannas. The features of all grasslands in the world are same, but their name is different. Different names. These are the main. This is area. This is extension of each grassland. Prairies are located in North America. This much area, almost 1/3 of USA is covered by prairies. This is a pampas. It's a veld. This is downs, almost the southern part of Australia. And steppes. One portion is in Asia, another portion is in Europe. So it is in steppes are found in Eurasia. Except Antarctica, we may find grasslands in all the continents. Prairies. We focus on prairies of USA, this extension of prairies. The grassland found in USA is called prairie. The temperate grasslands found in North America, that is the real name of prairies. Two main rivers are flowing through prairies. This is Mississippi, this river, Mississippi River. Another most important river that is flowing through prairie of USA is Missouri. In India, grasslands are there. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. This area, it is a part of grassland, northern part of India. It's a grassland. Some rivers are flowing through the grasslands of India. Yeah. Ganga, Devi, B is Yamuna. These rivers are flowing. Same way, Mississippi, Missouri are flowing through prairies of USA. Now what is the climate? Winter, it is very cold and summer hot. During winter in USA or in the prairies of USA, there is heavy snowfall. But moderate or mild rainfall occurs only in summer season. So water content is very less. Main points to remember. Grassland is an area of land where grass is the main vegetation. The prairies are located in the USA. The temperate grasslands found in North America are called prairies. Two rivers are flowing through prairies. They are Missouri, Mississippi. The rest part we study the next session. Thank you.